Yo, yo, yo. What up, what up, what up? Um, this won't be a long live. This is something that I was thinking about earlier, and I wanted to share it with us being in Scorpio season. And so the ancient ruler of Scorpio is Mars, and Mars is ruled by Aries, which is the first house, which is the I am, which is the identity, self. And it dawned on me that, so with Scorpio, it's like that bringing up the deep-rooted things that need to be worked on, or that need to come to light. So it's like coming out of the darkness into the light. And with tying that together with Mars and realizing that Mars is an action planet, right? But when we think about action, we think about like initiatives like go, 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 go. But it started to dawn on me that so the bottom hemisphere of the chart 1 through 6 is our inner needs, and 7 through 12 is our outer needs. So if we got Aries as the first house in the identity, that means that we have to turn on the inside. So we have to go internal. It's the internal I am, and that's where that action comes from. So it's not physical action necessarily, it's internal action, as far as ridding ourselves of this, our constructive way of thinking, or how we felt we should be, or the things that we felt we should do. Now, I guess I'm going to take it a little further and tie into Mars. So with Mars being the ancient ruler of Scorpio, and Mars rules Aries, or Aries is the ruler of Mars. Aries is the ruler of Mars. Now bringing in Scorpio energy, because it's not just about the sign and the planet that's there. You have to take in other energies as well. Like if you had Mars in the third house with Capricorn, you will also not only take in Capricorn's energy, Mars energy, you will take in Taurus energy. You will have to take into consideration Venus energy. Did I say second or third house? If I said second house, Taurus. If I said third, it's Gemini. And if I said Gemini, it's Mercury. And if I said Taurus, it's Venus. So you will have to take into consideration all those planets, all that energy within that house. And you have to build a story. And, build a story. And it's like, how does that pertain to your life with all of those energies playing a part? So it's not just about the energy that is at the forefront of your chart, like what you see. You have to take into consideration the planet that rules there, the sign that rules there, and even also the sign that's adjacent from it, like the node. Like so, Taurus, opposite Taurus is Scorpio, opposite Gemini, Sagittarius. So taking in those energies as well, and also the Lord of the house. But that's that would be taken in that planet of the house. So Mars. We look at Mars as the action planet, which yes, it is an action planet, but it's also the planet of war. So if we look at the war, and we think about war, and what does war like do? War I'm hearing the word deconstructs, but you'll have to rebuild after that war is over. War destroys. So if you think about Mars in that aspect, and it being Aries and I am, what's happening is your identity is being destroyed, so that you can step into your authenticity of your true identity, your true I am. So Mars being there, and also with Scorpio, now you think about that, it's being destroyed. Everything that's in the dark is coming to light. and it's like I'm seeing a abandoned house and opening the curtains and bringing in that light, but now you're noticing all this dust and all these boxes and all this stuff in there, and it starts to clean house. With Mars also, you don't want to start anything new. It's not about starting anything new, it's about finishing what you started. So, and that makes me think about the whole war thing. When the war is over, how they finish up the war is like what comes after the war is they have to clean up. So when it comes to Mars and that energy, it's finishing what you started. So don't start anything new in this Scorpio season, but take care of what it is that you already have going. Clean up what it is that you need to clean up, or like make it neat. Like if you're working on a project, get rid of like all the things that it's deja vu right here. Which deja vu is just deja vu is like you feel like it happened before, you've been there before. And all deja vu is telling you that you are right where you are supposed to be in your journey, and it's a signpost to let you know that. So this is a signpost letting me know that I'm right where I'm supposed to be in my journey, which is great because I didn't even think I wanted to go live. But I shade for that. But yeah, so Mars is where you what was I saying? I think I was talking about Scorpio. Okay, so Scorpio is you don't wanna start anything new. What you wanna do is go internal. And also Scorpio is a water sign, so it's internal energy, it's emotions, it's feelings, but it's that internal. So going internal and bringing the things that we may not necessarily want to face, bringing them to light and overcoming them. Scorpio season is the perfect season to do that, because not only are you supported by the energy, you also are supported by the universe. The universe is going to support you at this time, and you're going to have everything that you need, and in that aspect. So yeah. Like I said, this wasn't going to be very long, and just checking in with myself to make sure I don't have anything else to share. But yeah, so with that, Scorpio season, dive deep, get in that, dive deep, rise high, basically, and rid yourself of all those thought forms, negative thought forms, and things like that you've built around yourself, so you can get back to that I am, and so you can start building yourself back up. Time to clean house, basically. So yeah, and I'm gonna do a video on thought forms and what they are and how to bypass them and things like that in the near future, sooner than later. But yeah, so just stay tuned. Make sure that you follow me, and if I'm actually gonna post this on YouTube, so if you're on YouTube, make sure that you subscribe, that you share this video, and then also come on over to Instagram land and follow me as well, so you can get the live videos as they're going, and we can engage and have a conversation, because I love a good dialogue. So with that being said, I trust that this finds everybody in good grace, and until next time, deuce deuce.